If you're trying to connect Breezy Cloud with AWeber but aren't sure how it works, or if it's even the best option, stick around. I'll walk you through the integration step by step, explain how AWeber fits into the picture, and by the end, I'll also show you a better alternative that makes email marketing and landing pages way easier. So let's get into it. First, Breezy Cloud does offer direct integrations with email marketing tools, and AWeber is one of them. To connect the two, go into your Breezy Cloud project, select the form element, and under Integrations, choose AWeber. You'll need to log in to your AWeber account, grant access, and then pick the list where you want your leads to go. That's it, your forms will now send submissions directly to AWeber. Next thing, AWeber itself. It's a solid email marketing tool, especially for beginners, but it's not without issues. The automation is pretty basic compared to competitors, and the design flexibility isn't the best. If you just need simple email sequences and basic list segmentation, it works. But if you're looking for deeper automation or better templates, you might find it limiting. Now, Breezy Cloud. It's a great no-code page builder, but its email integrations can be hit or miss. The forms don't always sync perfectly, and if you want advanced tracking, you'll likely need third-party tools. Plus, AWeber's form customization inside Breezy is limited, so if branding and design matter to you, you might feel restricted. The fourth thing, why this might not be your best setup.
AWeber and Brizy Cloud together can work, but if you're serious about email marketing, you might want something that gives you better automation, design flexibility, and a smoother workflow without needing extra tools. That's where a better alternative comes in. After testing multiple platforms, I found one that makes landing pages and email automation seamless without the limitations of Brizy Cloud or AWeber. If you want to see how it works, check out the first link
In the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out, you'll see the difference.